You can't succeed because you are not willing to fail. Failing is just a pit stop on your destination.
Look, being broke is a state of mind. You out here nickel and dime. All my money, team, dream 100 in the lab, work for me, grind.
Spent the first half of my life being entertained by the Matrix and struggling inside the Matrix. I'm going to spend the last half of my life helping you free yourself and your pockets from financial burden from the Matrix. If you like the idea of that, I've got a lot of content coming. I got a music video you're getting ready to watch. I've got an animated little series I got coming that I'm working on. But more importantly, if you want to make money from home, I can show you a $500 per day glitch for the winter season that's going to have you earning daily income from now well into the beginning of 2024. So if you like that, one, share the video, like the video, subscribe and stick around, because this is going to be the headquarters where you can get the information from this system. It's my process, but there's everything you need to know is inside. Just go to the link, like the video, share the video. Let me know what you think about this music video. I got a lot of things coming with AI, a lot of stuff I don't want you to miss out. So stick around and leave your feedback, and more importantly, click the link so we can get you involved, so you can be making $500 per day with this glitch. No guarantees, but the process works. Money is being made, and you could be making some too. Enjoy the video.
You can't succeed because you are not willing to fail. Failing is just a pit stop on your destination.
Look, being broke is a state of mind. You out here nickel and dime. All my money, team, dream 100 in the lab, work for me, grinding. See, it's all about focus and timing, like affiliate marketing, rhyming, trapping balls in my empire, rising. Feel what my pack running with lines. Trying to make some money, well, that's gonna begin. 500 per day glitch, trust me, you won't end. Being broke, that's gonna end. How you telling all your friends? Sleeping in the weekdays, every day's the weekend. They call me Mr. Leverage, yeah, I'm your new friend. Hit the link on our page, yeah, it's time to opt in. I mean, right now, better go for it. I mean, take action like run for it. Being broke, nah, I can't afford it. You don't slow down to get Zoom.
I got Zoom. I took off, now I'm a man. I'm a man. Ain't no way that I could lose. I could lose. At first you thought I was playing. I was playing. Hit the road and I go Zoom. I took off, now I'm the man. Ain't no way that I could lose. At first you thought I was playing. Hit the road and I go Zoom.
Zoom with us to your success today.
Kevin, this is nice.
Big Jeezy got it locked, boy.